children, welcome back to your online class. Children, today we are going to continue chapter 5, birds, their feathers and beaks. But before that, we will solve worksheet 1 of this chapter, which was your last homework, that is 6th homework of science. Okay, so you all know what you have to do. You have to match your answers with my answers, and if any correction is needed, you have to do it in your book. Okay. So children, let's solve worksheet 1 of this chapter given on page number 50. Okay, so question number 1 is unscramble the letters to reveal 3 terms related with feathers. So if you will unscramble the first one, you will get fluffy, Fluffy. Now second one is soft, Soft, soft. Now third one will be colored, Colored, colored. Okay, now question number 2 is write whether each statement is true or false. So first one is all birds can fly. This is false because ostrich and penguins cannot fly because they are too heavy. Now second question is the upward movement of wings is known as upstroke. Yes, this is true. Now third, feathers help a bird to fly. No, this is false because what help a bird to fly? Wings. Wings help a bird to fly. Now fourth one is body feathers keep the bird warm. This is also false because down feathers keep the bird warm. We have learned all the things in our previous video. Okay. Now question number 3. Complete the following by filling in the blanks from the words given below. Here some words are given. Okay. So first one is a bird flaps its wings in upward and downward direction. Okay. You can see the spellings from the given options. Okay. Now B is a bird's body is covered with feathers. Okay. Now C1 is birds which can swim in water are known as, yes, you all know, that is aquatic birds. Here you will write aquatic. Now question number 4 is match the following terms with appropriate pictures. So first one is aquatic birds. You all know duck is an aquatic bird. You will match it with the fourth picture. Now second one is flightless bird. Yes, that is penguin. You will match it with the first picture. Now third one is beautiful bird. Yes, you will match it with the second picture because peacock is a beautiful bird. And now fourth one is bird which likes green chilies. Yes, that is parrot. So you will match it with the third picture. Now next question is name the following bird. Yes, you all know that. What is the name of this bird? Penguin. 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 Now next question is tick the correct answer. Fluffy and soft feathers which keep the body of bird warm are, yes, that is down feathers. You will tick it out. This will be the correct answer. Okay children, now you can match it with your answers, and if any correction is needed, just do it in your book. So children, as we have mouth, birds have beaks. Actually mouth of bird is beak, but they don't have teeth. And the shape, size and functions of beaks depends on the food that birds eat. Okay, they eat different type of foods and they are having different type of beaks. As we use different cutleries to eat different type of foods. Like if we want to eat pasta, we use forks, and if we have to eat rice, we use spoons, and we use chopstick for noodles. So we use different type of cutleries to eat different type of foods. Similarly, different type of birds have different type of beaks. Thus, the shape of beak vary from bird to bird. Okay, and some birds use their beak to protect themselves from their enemies. Now, children, we will see different type of beaks. Okay, first one is small, hard, and pointed beaks. Okay, these are found in grain eating birds. Grain eating birds like sparrow and pigeon. Now, grain eating birds, they have to crack the seeds, crack the grains. They are very hard. Okay, so they need a hard and pointed beak, not very big but small. So you have seen sparrow, they are having small, hard and pointed beak because they have to eat grains. They are very hard and they have to crack those seeds. So here also it is shown in your book, they are having small, hard and pointed beaks. Okay, this is pigeon and sparrow. Clear? Now second one is curved beaks. Curved beaks are found in parakeets like parrot. Children, parakeets doesn't mean only parrot. Okay, parakeets are those birds which comes in the family of parrot. Okay, they look like parrot. So curved beaks are found in fruit and nuts eating birds like parrot, and this type of beak helps them to crack the hard nuts and fruits easily. Also, this curved beak help them to climb up on branches. Clear? So curved beaks are for fruit and nuts eating birds or parakeet. So this example is also given in your book. This is parrot and you can see its beak is curved. Okay. Now children, next one is strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay, the flesh eating birds, they need strong, sharp and hooked, hooked beaks, so that they can easily tear off the flashes. They eat flesh, that's why they need hooked beak which should be sharp and strong. So flesh eating birds like eagle, vultures, owls, etc., these all are having strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Now next one is broad and flat beak. Most aquatic birds, you all know aquatic means watery birds, those which can swim in water. So most aquatic birds like ducks, they have broad and flat beaks. Now just see in your book, this is duck and its beak. Okay, they have broad and flat beak. Okay, why it is so? Because they have to search for their food in mud, and if you see carefully, you will see a hole in its beak. Okay, why it is so? There is a hole in its beak because when it search for its food, for worms in mud, then what happens? The muddy water comes out from that hole, and the food remains in its mouth. Okay, so the most aquatic birds like duck have broad and flat beaks, and these broad and flat beaks also help them to dig in the soft mud and find worms for their food. Now next one is strong and chisel shaped beak. Chisel shaped means chisel is like a metallic tool which we use to cut something. Okay, so strong and chisel shaped beak woodpeckers have this type of beaks, because what they do, they make a hole in tree trunks to catch the insects from there to as their food. So this type of beak help them a lot to find their food. So the woodpeckers have a strong and chisel shaped beak, and it helps the woodpecker to make holes in tree trunk and catch insects for its food. Now children, next one is broad and short beak. This type of beaks are found in birds like swallow. Okay, it is shown in your book. See, its beak is short and broad. Okay, this is not very much pointed. Now it has a very different way of feeding. Actually its beak is very sticky from inside, and what it does, it flies or moves round and round in the air, and the insects which are flying in air, they get stuck inside its beak because it is sticky from inside, so they get stuck inside its beak, and this way it gets its feeding. So birds like swallow have broad and short beak. Now next one is broad, long and pointed beak. So the fish catching birds like kingfisher, they have broad, long and pointed beak, because they have to catch fishes from the river or lake. You might have seen there, they standing very quietly, and they just pick up the fishes from the river, and in this process their broad, long and pointed beak help them a lot. Okay, so birds like kingfisher and stork have broad, long and pointed beaks to catch fish from rivers and ponds. Its example is also given in your book. This is kingfisher with a broad, long and pointed beak. So children, this much for today. Our chapter is over. Now you have to revise the chapter thoroughly, and if any doubt or any query is there, you can put up that, so that you become more clear about the topics. Okay, and some of you, what you do, you just see the home assignment and read the questions and just search in internet and then you write the answer. Don't do that. Don't go to the internet for the answers, because you have to write the answers as per your books only. So you must revise the chapter, you must watch the videos linked with the home assignments, so that you can write more appropriate answers and as per your book. Okay, so this much, and till our next video, be safe, stay at home and take care.